Hello, this video we will go over 2019 April SAT exam section 4 question 20. Now this question looks a little bit weird because you can see the square root on both sides. So the question asks, if x is the solution to the equation above, what is the value of x minus square root of x minus 3? Now the key word right here that I would like to emphasize first is the word solution. Now, you may know kind of what to do, but I really want to make sure that you know the meaning. Now, solution means that there is a value of the unknown that will make the statement true. Okay, a value of the unknown that will make the mathematical statement true. All right. So what kind of value of x would make this statement true? Well, you want to make sure that the x value here being put in here is equal to the value on the right hand side. That will make the statement true. So remember that this is a Section 4. You can use a calculator, and when we find solution, that is basically asking the question of, hey, where's the intersection between these two lines? This is like line 1, this is like line 2. Can we go ahead and plot the graph and say where they intersect? Well, for time's sake, I have already prepared a graph for you. So here on the right, you see the two graphs, F1 and F2, for those two equations. And you can see where they intersect. They intersect at 4, 1. So they intersect at 4, 1. And since it's the x value that we're looking for here, well, that means x is equal to 4. All right? Now, but we would like to know, what is the value of square root of x minus 3? And since we know x is equal to 4, so 4 minus 3 underneath the square root, which is square root of 1, and that is equal to 1. So the answer is this. So the question is not very difficult. What is the most difficult part in this question is that, are you aware of the meaning of the word solution? Because if you don't know what the word solution means, that you may have a hard time realizing that you can use your graphing calculator to graph the two lines and just find out where they intersect. So I think it's very important that you master the definition of the word solution, which I wrote here. Is a value of the unknown that will make the mathematical statement true. Okay, meaning that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, and this only happens when the two lines, okay, one on the left, one on the right, right here, the left and the right, they are equal to each other. Okay, when will the x value be equal to each other and be true on both lines? And as we show you on the right-hand side, the screenshot right here on the calculator, well, the answer is, 4, because they intersect at 4, 1, and we just need to use the x value here, x equals to 4, and you would get your answer very easily. I'm not sure why there are other answer choices. Now, some people may do this. If you don't know that you could use a calculator, then what could happen is you may try to solve it as a little quadratic equation. You think about square root and you do square on both sides right away. Now eventually you will still get to the right answer, but it's going to take you way more time if you want to do the quadratic equation afterwards. Okay, so I would really not suggest you to do that, especially this is in section 4. You can use a calculator, so just make sure that you know the meaning of the word solution. Okay, that's very, very, very important here.
Do you want some extra credit? If you do, subscribe our channel. I promise you will learn a lot more and get extra credit from that. If you have any question, please make sure that you email us at goodacademics@gmail.com. If you have any question in math, science, or education, just send them in and we will do our very best to resolve your problems. And I thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that you will continue to learn a lot more through our channel. See you soon.